Hello, this is Bill with moneyforcoffee.com. Today you're going to learn how to create a free landing page without website. Okay, first I have a link underneath this video. There's a link that'll take you right to System.io, and it's totally free. You don't need a credit card. You don't need any form of payment. And you go here and just go to here. Click on the link below the video. And it'll take you here and just click get my free account, or if you have one, just sign in. And I already have one, so I'm just going to sign in. Okay, and when you first sign on, it'll take you to the dashboard. Now I've seen the dashboard come up a couple different ways, which I don't know why it does that, but just in case, you click on the menu up here, right next to your, right next to this little person, just click on the menu. And come down and click on funnels. Now sometimes it'll list all these items right along here. So it could be either way. But you just click on funnels. Okay. And it'll list any funnels you made. Now if you click on these three little dots to the right, you can view it, you can duplicate it, share, or go to settings or deactivate it. Deactivating is the same as deleting it. It doesn't delete it immediately, but the next time you come on, it'll be gone. Okay, so we'll create a new funnel. So you just hit create. Okay, then you name it. You can name it anything you want. It's just for your own reference. Okay, and then we're going to build an audience. That's what we'll just call it. Or you can sell a product, do custom completely from scratch, then you don't get the templates, or if you want to do a webinar. So you pick, and then you pick the currency, which I don't think really matters because unless you're selling something, so you can select this, but like I said, unless you're selling something, it doesn't matter, but I'll just select US dollars. After you're done with that, you hit save. Okay, and here's the landing page we just created, and you just click on it. Okay, it's just loading up. Okay, now if this is the first time, see once you do a couple of these, it'll just put this in here like the squeeze page and thank you page. But we're just doing the landing page, so we'll just delete these. Because I don't believe it's in here the first time, but if it is, you can just click on them. Or delete any step you don't want. Okay, so we'll add a step. Okay, we'll name it. Anything you want, just for your reference. Okay, then you go down and you hit type. And you can hit squeeze page, inline form, pop-up form, opt-in thank you, sales page, order form, thank you, upsell, downsell, webinar, and just scroll down and check everything. Or just information page. I haven't tried that. What I usually just go for, even for a landing page, is I'll just go for a squeeze page, because you can also just use a plain landing page for the squeeze page and just hit save. Okay, alright, now it takes you to all the templates, and we'll just pick one, and we'll just pick, there's one in here, it's real basic, we'll just use that one. Let's see if I can find it. Okay. We'll just use this one. It looks pretty good. So we'll select it. Okay, and then you name it. And anything's better than just these random letters and numbers. So I would just put in your niche here. Just whatever it is, doesn't matter. And then, or you can just put bonus one, gift one, whatever you like. And then go over to the right, and there's a green button at the top. It looks like a floppy, and just hit save. That saves it. Okay, the next thing you want to do is come down to the wand, and just that'll edit the page. So we'll just click on that. Okay, and now we're in the landing page. Okay, anything like this, which we don't need, we'll just delete. We'll hit delete. Okay. Oh no, I wanted to keep that. So say you made a mistake and you deleted something you didn't want to delete. You just go to the left, right near the logo, and there's an undo button. It's the arrow, the curved arrow pointing to the left. Just click on it. Okay, and now really I did want to get rid of it. So then you go back to the right, the arrow that points to the right, and then as soon as you scroll over, it'll tell you what it is. It's called the redo, and then it just takes it out. So that's nice. Okay, so we'll just delete this. We don't need this. So that's nice if you made a mistake. The first time I made a mistake, I didn't realize that, and I was like, I was like, oh, I gotta redo this. So this whole form is drag and drop, and it's just if you want to change anything, like the color of the font, you just go here and change it. You can change the size. Just gotta kind of click on it. It's what you see is what you get. I think that's what that's called. And so you can make that smaller. And same with this. Just click on it. You can make it smaller. Okay. Same thing with the font. And then the image. You can delete the image. You can just go to the gear. And then you can change the image to whatever you want. Obviously, I wouldn't use that, but I just use that as an example. You can put a picture of anything you want in here. Okay, and then a lot of people ask about this. This one here doesn't have an opt-in. It's just a basic landing page. So we'll delete this. Delete this. We'll delete this. Okay, and here you go. This is very basic. Just a headline. We'll just have a headline. And then also, you can put a couple of the benefits in here from the sales page. Get an idea about the headline from the sales page, and then put, get started now, and to change this, you just click on it. Let me show you. Click on it. Click on the gear, and then if you scroll down, let me see here. Yeah, it'll say get started. You could say. You can just lead them to a video if you want on the sales page, or a lot of times the affiliate offers, like on ClickBank, they'll give away free videos you can put on here. So you can do something like that. And then also, what you want to do for this is click on it again. Wait, click on it. Go to the little gear, and okay, you want to change this instead of the pop-up. We want to do the open URL, and then just paste your affiliate link in here. So when they click on this, it'll take you right to the, like I said, you could take them to a video or whatever on the sales page, but have your affiliate link in here. So this is just like I said, a basic landing page. And it takes minutes to make. And you can change, or you can lead them on here. You can go, instead of open URL, you can go to the next step, which could be a thank you page. I mean, it's up to you. But you wouldn't just for a landing page, you wouldn't use you most likely wouldn't use a thank you page. Or you could also send them to like your blog or a free download or anything you want. But that's it. That's the basic landing page. And you just hit save changes. And then you go right here to exit. And then here it is, copy the link, and we can preview it. I mean, that's it. And like, obviously you wouldn't have this thumb here. You put you could put a picture of somebody losing weight or somebody working out or whatever your niche is. And that's it. I mean, it'll look pretty nice. And it takes minutes. And you don't need a website at all, because this is hosted on System.io. And like I said, I have a link below. So also, guys, if you wanted, you can also add the opt-in page if you'd like. You can really, probably the easiest thing to do in this case would just be to change this template out. But you can also drag and drop. If you're on Elements, you can drag and drop any of these items. The text, the image, the video, audio. You can change columns, rows. If you wanted to make this one into an opt-in form, which I would just go back and get another one. But you can just drag and drop this right here. And then click on this. And then you have to select the input type. We'll just put email. Okay, and then we'll make this a little bit smaller because it's too big. Okay, so I mean that's pretty easy. And then that way you can get their email before they get the free, whatever you're giving them for free or wherever you're sending them. You can get the email first, and that's up to you. You don't have to do that. I just wanted to show you how to do that real quickly, and then just hit Save Changes. Hey guys, just wanted to show you real quickly how to change the template. Okay, so to change the template, just Save Changes, and then we'll click on the arrow to the top right next to Save Changes, and that'll exit. Okay, we're back to this page. So what we do is go all the way to the bottom. In the bottom block, it's called Change Page Template. You just click on that, hit Confirm. And then now we have to go through and select, and we were looking for something with an opt-in. So just select anything with an opt-in. That's one way to do it, or you can add it like I showed you, but you can also just go back to this and find a completely different one, like this one. And then just hit Edit. Then you see it has the opt-in already on here. But that's up to you. Also, guys, you can, I don't know if I showed you, but you can click in this and just type anything you want in here. But you can also drag and drop. If you're on Elements, you can drag and drop any of these items. The text, the image, the video, audio. You can change columns, rows. If you wanted to make this one into an opt-in form, which I would just go back and get another one. But you can just drag and drop this right here, and then click on this. And then you have to select the input type. We'll just put email. Okay, and then we'll make this a little bit smaller because it's too big. Okay, so I mean that's pretty easy. And then that way you can get their email before they get the free, whatever you're giving them for free or wherever you're sending them. You can get the email first. And that's up to you. You don't have to do that. I just wanted to show you how to do that real quickly. Okay, what's nice too is we have the email, but if you want to add the name or another field, just come over here and you want to go, just hover over it and then go up and then go to the gear and then go to the right where it looks like there's two pieces of paper, and that'll duplicate it. So just click on it. Okay, now we have two, but we have two email. So now you just come over to the left and hit Form Input, and then this box up here you can change to whatever you want. We'll just put first name. Okay, so then that makes two boxes, the first name and the email. Okay, we're on the opt-in page, or you can use it as a landing page, or you can use it as an opt-in page. Okay, you can come down here. If you just want to have it as a landing page and you don't want to collect their email, you can just come over here and hit the trash can. I'll do one. Just click that, and then click off. Okay, so now we just have the email. And also you can come over here, as I showed you before, and hit undo, and there, boom, it's back. So like I said, you can delete both of these, or you can collect their name and email. It's optional. Okay, so we'll hit Save Changes. We're going to see if the form works. And then here, this button, you hit the little gear, and you can send them to an affiliate offer like I'm going to do, and that would be open URL. Or you can click download a file, send them to an ebook. It's completely up to you, or send them to a download page. Okay, so we'll leave it open URL, and then have them go to an affiliate link. So hit save, and then to the right hit the little arrow, and that'll exit. Okay, hit the eyeball to the right. Okay, now we'll try it, and then just hit Save Changes. Okay, all right. Hit Get Started. Okay, and it takes you right to the affiliate offer, so it works perfect. Hey guys, if you like this video, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. That way you can always use it as a reference. And like I said, this is a completely free way to set up a landing page with no website required. All right, guys, take care. Thank you.